What is going on, guys? It is Chris here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to be going over 4 trades that we made today on July 25th. Now these are some pretty easy trades. We just did SPX 4 times and obviously, as you can see, some very nice gainers on the day. I'm going to show you guys how we took all these trades and how you can do it yourself as well in the future. Now I was just trading the ES chart, which is futures on SPX, of course, but I'm trading SPX options, and I was just using the 3-minute chart really all day long, and a lot of the stuff that I did was market structure. So let's just hop right into this. And the first trade that we made today was at 8:10, where I got into some calls. If my chart could not lag, that'd be great. So at 8:10, basically what we're looking for is actually a bullish consolidation into this area. Now my entry was absolutely horrendous. We entered right here before this dump at 8:10, as you can see. And what I was thinking is we're going to break to the upside. This was very bad entry by me. I forgot that there was a trend line resistance into this area, but we got in at 3. We averaged at 2, and so our average was 2.5. And the entry, of course, was amazing on this one. I was telling everyone, stay in, no reason to panic. I'm very sure we're going to pump. And then we actually just continue into our new high day right there. So that was a very easy trade to start off the day. And we also broke the trend line to the upside. And that was just like 68% to top off the morning. Now the next trade that we did were spot or SPX 3950 puts. We got these at right here at 948. Now what I was looking at is a rejection of the high day. Usually when we see this break of the high day, I'm looking for 2 candles at green, like on the 1-minute chart. I know I said we're looking at the 3-minute, but for the 1-minute, we'll look at the entries. I'm looking for this to close green. And now when it doesn't close green, this is kind of showing me a little bit of weakness. Now I know people say, okay, 1-minute chart, Chris, are you kidding me right now? Yeah, so I'm not joking at all. This is actually weakness right here. I would have expected to see 2 green candles, consolidation up here, and then a further rally. We didn't see that. It broke my bullish thesis, so I'm immediately bearish. It breaks right back below. So this is our high day. It breaks above high day here, then breaks right back down below. I enter puts right here, and these ones print heavy. They went from 2 to 8, so 300%. And I sold them down here. Where was it? Like I think in this consolidation over here. So it went even higher to like 400 or 500% down here. So that was very nice. Now at the end of the day, we're basically our 2, I guess, best plays. We had round 1 and round 2 of 3960 calls in SPX. This was during power hour. And what we're looking at this one, firstly, is we're looking to approach VWAP. Now we're looking at the momentum as well, building through these areas. So we can see momentum building through here. And when we go to the 5-minute chart, so we'll hop over to the 5-minute real quick. Let's see. So the 5-minute, we actually just broke the 9 EMA. And we're actually continuing into the afternoon here in the last hour. So what I saw is we break 9 EMA earlier on this trend. We had not broken previously on the 5-minute chart. And then the second break is usually the real break. The first break is typically the fake quote-unquote break. We saw a nice rejection. I told people we're going to go down here, and we ended up going down even further, which is nice. But right here, we're looking at this momentum. You can see the momentum building to the upside. You never want to short this. Now, of course, it falls in after hours, but that's not important. We're obviously out of the trade by then. What we get into are 3960 calls right here at 1239. So we're spotting this momentum, and we're also able to add on this pullback. So we're entering right here. 1 candle already gained. It's literally a 2-point move, and we already have like 50% on these. We add a little bit on the pullback, we go higher, and we close this here. The next trade, we enter almost right away after we close that one. I'm saying, you know, this still looks very bullish. We're holding the 9 EMA with only green on the 1-minute. 3-minute as well looks great. And so we're just wicking off this in the bottom. We enter right here at 1247. And this one we got into at 1.15. And everyone got better entry than me again, because as you can see, it's like a very tiny move to the downside. It was literally 50 cents, right, on SPX. Nothing. And I'm already down like 20%. Everyone got a better entry than me. And then boom, we fly into the end of the day. Now, basically, what we're looking at, the key takeaway for this is VWAP, right? So this VWAP is our red line. Let's just delete this one, right? It's red line, so you guys don't get confused. Red line. Momentum is building to the upside and through here. This is consolidation. It's very bullish. We're wicking on all of these down here. When you go to the 3-minute, it also looks very bullish. And so when we have this first pullback right here, it's always going to have this nice pullback, very sharp pullback. And since we're holding with green candles to the upside, this is not something you want to short. Momentum is building, and we're approaching VWAP. I told everyone, VWAP, I'm 100% sure we hit VWAP today, if not break above. And so we approached VWAP, we hit VWAP. That's when I'm basically out, except for 1 contract. And then 800% at the end of the day right here. As you can see, pumps literally up at the end of the day. If we had, you know, SPY, we would have had another few 100% right there, just off, you know, 40-cent candle on SPY. So that's very, very nice. But that's basically what we did today. Kept the video pretty short, as you can see, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Very easy stuff, just momentum driven, bullish consolidation, and then obviously spotting this high a day after we had a very weak break to the upside. So hopefully that helped you guys. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, for another recap. Peace, guys.